We're setting out our Texas toast all onto our baking sheet. We're gonna pop these in the oven just to get them a little bit crispy. While our toast is getting crispy, we are adding 3 cups of cold water right into our pot. We're going to accompany it with some au jus gravy. Oh, you guys, I don't know if you know where we're going with this, but you are in for a treat. This little, I don't know, you could have it for dinner, you could have it for lunch, you could just have it because you're hungry, right? No judgment. Okay, let's give that just a little mix. That looks great. Now we're gonna add some delicious roast beef. We are throwing this roast beef right into this au jus right here. Oh, it's gonna make it so juicy. It's gonna soak up all of that flavor. So just let this sit in here, let it get nice and warm and soak together, and stick around because we have so much more to come and this is delicious. All right, these are looking so good. Oh, I love the smell of garlic. Once you guys have those out of the oven, you wanna take your spoon, and you can see here, I'm just kind of making a little like divot right in the center there of the toast. So just push down the center of the toast just like that with your little spoon. Oh, we are gonna fill these bad boys up with some deliciousness. I have a little bit of provolone cheese here. So I'm gonna grab some provolone cheese. Let's see, I think I'm just gonna put each piece in half, and we're gonna place 1/2 of provolone cheese on each piece of our Texas toast, moving right along here. Look at how easy this is. All right, now remember that roast beef over here that we put in that au jus? Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Do you see that? I love what that does to the roast beef. Oh my gosh, it looks delicious. We're gonna grab a couple slabs, come right over here, and we're gonna place it on top of that cheese, right on that Texas toast. So we just wanna grab a little bit of roast beef, you know, a little, if you like a lot, you like a little, you choose, right? We're gonna stick that right on top. Yes. Oh, I'm excited. We are almost there. Oh, this looks so good. Don't get rid of the rest of that au jus. You want to keep that. Just set that to the side. So after we got that, we're going to layer it up with a little bit more cheese here. I don't know. Would you use more cheese? Would you use less? Are you using provolone? I'm just sandwiching it in with this cheese. Now to make it even better, I have some chopped parsley right here. I'm going to top it right off with a little bit of chopped parsley. So we're just going to quickly move right through the top of this and sprinkle some of this parsley right on top. These look so beautiful. My mouth is watering, and I hope yours is too, you guys. I'm gonna put my glove back on in case this is still hot. We're gonna pop this back in the oven at 350 just for a few minutes. We want the cheese to get nice and melty, and stick around. You're gonna love how this turns out. Oh my gosh. Can we just take a moment for these really quick, you guys? These look fabulous. Look at the cheese melted on top. Oh, the meat looks so good. The roast beef, I can tell that this is just like so ultra crispy and perfectly done. Here, let me turn it over. Look at the bottom. Those look amazing. Yes, you guys, these little open-faced French dip sandwiches are so tasty. I cannot wait to dig my teeth into these. They look just beautiful. I love them. And how stinking easy was that? What a nice way to change things up. We're just gonna throw these right here onto our plate. Look at how good those are. All right, you guys, we are gonna set those down right there. And now check this out. Remember, we have that au jus that we have earlier. So we're gonna scoop ourselves some of that. We're gonna put it right into our dish. Oh, and you know what? It smells like this just has so much more flavor because that roast beef was sitting right in there. We'll plate this right on with our little open-faced French dip sandwiches. That is what I'm talking about right here. Oh, check this out. That crispy bread, you just dunk it right into the au jus. Oh my gosh, this is steaming hot. I don't think I can take a bite right now. It's so hot, but you guys, I cannot wait to dig into these things. They look cheesy. Maybe I can just rip it open. Oh yeah, it's hot, it's cheesy. We've got layers of cheese and goodness in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I hope you enjoy this. Let me know, what are your thoughts on this? Would you do anything different? I'm gonna dig in as soon as these bad boys cool down, and we'll see you guys later.